Hello guys, this is my OC name Planeria Kocho. She is the most powerful OC and she can defeat Muzan in just 0.00000000000000000000000000001 second. And she can kill all the upper and lower moon one and she can defeat everything. Every demon has a crush on her and they fight over. She is 10 septillion decillion nontillion million billion trillion quintillion quadrillion stronger than Emily Kocho. Every boy's had a crush on her and Planeria Kocho even has her own magnetic field. She can survive every solar flare from the star in the universe because she has a powerful magnetic field that is 999 decillion nontillion septillion quintillion quartrillion trillion billion million stronger than the magnetar magnetic field. Every Hashira, especially boys, planets and even aliens bow down to respect Planeria Kocho. She can survive the temperature of 999 decillion septillion Celsius and negative 999 decillion septillion. Planeria Kocho is very fast. Even faster than the speed of light. She can travel about 99,999 septillion decillion nontillion quartrillion quintillion trillion million billion miles per second. She can reach to Proxima Centauri system in just about 0.0000000000001 second and reach to Andromeda Galaxy in about 0.001 nanosecond. Planeria Kocho has a sad backstory. The demon killed all her family and even her pet. And Planeria Kocho was saved by Giyu Tomioka and she is about 4.56 billion years old. And she has a crush on Giyu Tomioka but Shinobu kept bullying Giyu Tomioka and Planeria killed Shinobu by slicing her up into 1 septillion pieces and every girl is jealous of Planeria Kocho. In the manga, Saturn said how much he likes Planeria Kocho and he wanted to marry Planeria Kocho and she can even take his ring and Saturn want to kiss Planeria Kocho right now. Planeria Kocho has 10 breathing form. Form 1. Meteor Strike. Form 2. Stardust. Form 3. Lollipop Star. Form 4. Silence Space. Form 5. Great Dying Hawk Radiation. Form 6. Space Wheels. Form 7. Space Blast. Form 8. Star Strike. Form 9. Fart Poop Space. Form 10. Slicing pieces into space. I hope you all like Planeria Kocho.